The Domains tab is where you create and manage your domains, also referred to as zones, along with their respective settings and resource records. When you land on this page for the very first time, you'll see a button to add your first domain. The Domain Add wizard will walk you through creating your first zone with ease. Generally, all of the settings in this box are set to the recommended defaults. Simply enter your domain name, choose the type, and click Save to add it to our platform. As a side note, it's completely okay and safe to add any domain to our platform. Until you change the name service at the registrar, it will not take effect here. Once your first domain is added, you'll always see this table. The table will expand to show more domains as you add them, and will start paging them at 10 records unless you alter the paging setting. To make edits to your domain, you can simply click the black arrow icon at the left of the table row, double-click the row, or select it once and choose View from the toolbar. Once the zone is open, you'll see subsections for the different record types in there. Note that these only show record types for those that exist. If you need to add another record type for the first time, choose the blue Add New Record Type button and select the type from the list. Once you add one, it will then show that section on the page. To see the existing records within a type, again, click the black arrow icon to the left. This will show the records in small pages of 10 records per page. Use these sub-toolbar icons to add, edit, or otherwise manipulate them accordingly. The toolbar at the top should be self-explanatory, but I'll cover the buttons briefly. Use the Add button when you need to add a completely new domain, not a record type, in an existing domain. The Edit button allows you to change zone-wide settings such as zone transfer permissions or DNSSEC settings. The Delete button here will delete the entire domain, not to be confused with the Delete button in a record type, which allows deleting of just one record. Search allows you to find any domain name by company or other columns. The Reload simply updates the information shown in the table, like the status icons. The Enable Disable button allows you to suspend a domain from resolving DNS while keeping it in the table for future reactivation. The View button expands the table so you can see the existing resource records in a domain. The Export button will create a CSV file of all your domains. And lastly, the Copy button allows you to make an identical copy of an existing zone, including all of the resource records inside of it. It's important to note that the help boxes at the bottom of the screen, or on the right if you have a wide display, will provide information about the status icons, but you can also hover your mouse over the status and authoritative icons as well to learn more. Lastly, the name servers assigned to your company show here and should be used at the registrar when switching your DNS over to our platform. For more details on the Domains tab or all of the different resource record types and how to configure them, consult our online manual for a very comprehensive overview.